screens to defeat your opponent's team.
Right.
Amy and Dr. Eggman strike up an uneasy gaming friendship and make plans to play next at Amy's house. Sonic and the rest of the team suspect something is up with Amy and go to her house to investigate.
Sonic, Knuckles, Tails, and Sticks look in the window of Amy's house.
What's going on?
I can't see. I've always found the other window better for spying on Amy.
The group looks in the window and sees Amy is setting up a game table, putting snacks next to it.
Oh, looks like she's setting up for a date. A date? I mean, that's cool. You know, what do I care?
She opens it, and Eggman enters. Sonic, Sticks, Tails, and Knuckles burst in through the window. Sonic rips down a nice curtain, wraps it around Eggman, and mobilizing him. Eggman and Amy exchange a glance.
Oh, you get it? Confound you! You stopped me from enacting my brilliant evil scheme, which is the only reason I was here. Oh well, gotta go!
Did that Eggman attack seem strange?
No, he was fearsome. I, for one, was terrified.
Yeah, Eggman doesn't usually knock before an attack. What's going on, Amy?
Nothing. I'm a weak, helpless girl, and you all saved me. Fine. Eggman and I are fuzzy puppy buddies. You're friends with Eggman? We're only friends when we're not battling.
Hashtag
Then
furry.
we're fuzzy puppy buddies.
Hashtag furry.
And tomorrow, he and I are going to PuppyCon.
What?
I swindle a hustle of one planet rift, and you'll decide to mark the patsy punching.
No, Sticks. It's worse than that. I think PuppyCon is a fuzzy puppy fan convention.
Oh, like this.
Still, I don't trust Eggman. So despite the risk to my carefully cultivated street cred, we're going to PuppyCon.